breaker on. There we go. All right. Here's our lights. Quaint little cabin. Got all our sconce lights. And they have wall switches. Over here. I wasn't going to do switches. I was just going to go with pull chains, and I thought, you know what? I got these walls off. This is all looking good. See my GFI, we'll watch that it works. Shut off, on, off, on. Perfect. So when it blows. I wonder if I can shut it off. Yep, I could just shut it off. And then let's snap it back on. Those lights right there are connected with, that's going to be a fan, that's going to be a chandelier, that's going to be a fan, that's going to be another light. So those are all connected to one switch. That would be right here. So they'll turn the fans on, and then I'll just individually turn the fans on and off with like the fan setups. But we'll put those cool lights there, the Budweisers or the beer ones. We got lights here. I believe these are the Scon lights. Yep, two there. Got all the, I got GFI by the window again. And sockets everywhere. I got sockets coming out of my ears, because you only get a few chances to do this stuff. We're just, I'm pretty sure I did a light switch for this, but here it is. Yeah, did a light switch for over here. So all the lighting works, and I got it going with the generator first. So now I can just have them come in and put the post outside. See, there's my main breaker. On, off, on. And then these, I'll have to label them all. What they do, west wall, east wall, north wall. But all in all, cabin is wired, ready for some insulation and some interior walls. Gonna do some cool stuff here. And we'll get the PEX plumbing in soon. And even the fridge works. You want to know an interesting fact? Country crock is pretty much poison. This cabin has been abandoned for 10 years. Country crock looks like it's ready to spread. And there it is. And here we go. Oh, hey Rick, how's it going? Alex wanted a video